Hey there, fellow 20-somethings.
Are you ready to supercharge your financial future?
Welcome to Money Skills School. Today we're diving into the 7 crucial strategies you need to know to start building wealth in your 20s. Whether you're just starting out in your career or already on the path to success, these tips will set you up for financial freedom and abundance. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started.
Number 1. Start investing early. One of the most powerful tools in your wealth-building arsenal is compound interest.
It's the concept of earning interest on your interest, and it can turn even small investments into significant wealth over time. The key is to start early to maximize its benefits. Let me give you an example. If you start investing just $100 a month at age 25, assuming a 7% annual return, you could have over $340,000 by age 65. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'd only have around $146,000. That's the power of starting early.
Now, you might be wondering where to invest your money.
There are several options to consider, such as stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and real estate. Stocks offer the potential for higher returns but come with more risk, while mutual funds and bonds tend to be less volatile but may have lower returns. Real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income and potential appreciation, but it requires a larger initial investment. If you're new to investing, don't worry. You don't need to be an expert or have a lot of money to get started. Many brokerage firms offer low-cost or even commission-free trading, making it easier than ever to start investing with as little as $100. The key is to educate yourself, start small, and gradually increase your contributions as you become more comfortable with the process.
Number 2. Create a budget and stick to it.
Budgeting might not sound like the most exciting topic, but it's a fundamental step in managing your finances and building wealth. Think of it as a roadmap for your money. It helps you understand where your cash is going, identify areas where you can cut back, and prioritize your financial goals. To create a budget, start by tracking your expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and help you identify any unnecessary expenses.
Next, set financial goals for yourself.
Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, having specific, measurable goals will keep you motivated and on track. There are plenty of budgeting tools and apps out there to make the process easier.
Some popular options include Mint,
YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. These tools can help you automate your budget, track your spending, and even provide personalized insights and advice. The key to successful budgeting is consistency. It's not about depriving yourself or living a miserly lifestyle, it's about being intentional with your money and aligning your spending with your values and goals. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you'll be well on your way to financial success.
Number 3. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major roadblock on your path to building wealth, especially high-interest consumer debt like credit card balances.
When you carry a balance on your credit card, you're not just paying for your purchases, you're also paying interest, which can quickly add up and eat away at your financial progress.
To avoid falling into the debt trap, it's essential to live within your means.
This means spending less than you earn and being mindful of your purchases. Before making a big purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or if it's just a want. If it's the latter, consider saving up for it instead of charging it to your credit card. If you do need to use credit, be smart about it.
Look for cards with low interest rates and no annual fees, and always aim to pay off your balance in full each month.
If you're already carrying debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Consider using the debt snowball or avalanche method to prioritize your debts and tackle them one by one. By avoiding debt and being strategic about your credit use, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term financial success. And trust me, the peace of mind that comes with being debt-free is priceless.
Number 4. Increase your income. While saving and budgeting are essential, there's only so much you can cut back on.
That's where increasing your income comes in. In your 20s, you have a unique opportunity to lay the foundation for your future earning potential. And with the rise of the gig economy and online opportunities, it's easier than ever to boost your income outside of your 9-to-5. One option is to start a side hustle. This could be anything from freelancing your skills, think graphic design, writing, or coding, to starting an online shop or driving for a ride-sharing service. Not only can a side hustle provide extra cash to put towards your financial goals, but it can also help you develop new skills and explore your passions. Another way to increase your income is to invest in your education and career development. This could mean taking courses or workshops to improve your skills, networking with professionals in your field, or even pursuing an advanced degree. By continually learning and growing, you'll be positioning yourself for promotions, raises, and new opportunities down the line. If you're finding these tips valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more game-changing advice on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store.
Number 5. Save and invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make in your 20s. This means prioritizing your personal and professional growth, health, and well-being.
By developing a strong foundation now, you'll be setting yourself up for success in all areas of life, including your finances. One way to invest in yourself is through education.
This doesn't necessarily mean going back to school, although that's certainly an option.
It could be as simple as reading books, taking online courses, or attending workshops and conferences in your field. By continually learning and expanding your knowledge, you'll be more valuable to employers and better equipped to take on new challenges and opportunities. Another important aspect of investing in yourself is taking care of your health. This means eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. By prioritizing your physical and mental health, you'll have more energy, focus, and resilience to tackle your financial goals and live your best life.
Number 6. Plan for retirement. I know. Retirement might seem like a lifetime away when you're in your 20s.
But trust me, the earlier you start planning and saving, the better off you'll be in the long run. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small contributions to a retirement account can grow significantly over time. One of the best ways to save for retirement is through an employer-sponsored plan, such as a 401k. Many employers offer to match a portion of your contributions, which is essentially free money. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, aim to contribute at least enough to take full advantage of that match. If you don't have access to an employer-sponsored plan, or if you want to save even more, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, your contributions are tax-deductible, but you'll pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. With a Roth IRA, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. The key to successful retirement planning is to start early, save consistently, and let compound interest work its magic. By making retirement saving a priority in your 20s, you'll be setting yourself up for a comfortable and secure future.
Number 7. Build multiple income streams.
Finally, one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth is to diversify your income streams.
This means having multiple sources of income, rather than relying solely on your 9-to-5 paycheck. Building multiple income streams can take many forms.
It could mean investing in rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, starting a side business, or even monetizing a hobby or passion. The key is to find ways to generate passive income money that comes in even when you're not actively working. Not only does having multiple income streams provide a sense of financial security, if one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on, but it also allows you to accelerate your wealth-building efforts. The more money you have coming in, the more you can save, invest, and put towards your financial goals.
Building multiple income streams takes time and effort, but it's well worth it in the long run.
Start by exploring your passions and skills, and brainstorm ways to turn them into profitable ventures. With creativity, hard work, and a willingness to take calculated risks, you can build a diversified and resilient financial portfolio. Building wealth in your 20s is all about laying a strong foundation for your financial future. By starting early, being intentional with your money, and continually investing in yourself and your future, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by staying focused on your goals and implementing these 7 strategies, you'll be able to weather any storms and come out on top. So, take action today. Start budgeting, investing, and exploring new opportunities. Your future self will thank you. Until next time, take care.